Michael Landgraf, MCV Realty Group.
You guys value another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report from March 26, 2025. Looks like we definitely got down arrows, beating up arrows this week, seeing a little bit of softening in the market and even softening as opposed to last year. But we still see demand out there because active available homes are down again. We're looking at about 500 active available homes in the Fort Wayne metro area, which is down 3% week over week, up 38% year over year. New listings came in down 7% week over week, but up 13% year over year. Solds came in down 1% week over week, but up 17% year over year. Pendings came in down 11% week over week, down 7% year over year. Median sale price came in at $250,000, showing up 2.2% versus the number last year for this week. Last 12 months rolling, we're still looking about $249,900 median, still showing about 6.3% appreciation versus last year. Days on market slowed up a bit on the average, but sped up a little bit on the median. We're looking at 40 average, 15 median, and versus last year, that's slower than last year's. We were looking at 30 average and 6 median. Last 12 months, homes sold were 4,425 versus 4,295 last year, so showing about 3% growth on sales. We're showing to need a balanced inventory of 6 months inventory, we need about 2,200 homes. So to even get to the 3 months, we need about 1,100. We have less than half that, so looking at about 4.4 buyers per listing, about 2 months inventory right now, so still showing a seller's market moving towards that buyer's market. We know eventually it's going to go there. We know eventually we're going to see a downturn in the market. Whether we're seeing it now or whether it's still coming, we're not sure, but we will see. We report, you decide. Homes sell every day. If you need to make a move, let us know. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.